Yes, yes. Okay, let me say something. I am super excited about the outcome of Rivers local government election today, regardless of the party that won. And for me, there are three takeaways. Number one is the fact that Governor Fubara is the first in the history of Nigeria to organize a local government election in a state such as Rivers without the presence of police and security agents, and it was successful. That speaks a lot. He's the first governor in this short, so he should be congratulated. And for me, I think we can actually do this in a larger picture without conducting our elections without involvement of every security personnel and all that. It's a big lesson. We can take a cue from that. The second takeaway for me is that, like my boxing coach used to tell me in London, that ego and anger are serious enemy of any man. So the moment you allow them to occupy space in your life, you're bound to have problems. So we saw that playing out in Rivers today, and I see it playing out very soon in the life of a PDP and the larger Nigerian at large. Now, so for me, the third takeaway is the fact that I don't think Governor Wike and his advisors and his associates, I don't think they are smart enough. They goofed. They're not smart enough, because ordinarily they should have advised Mr. Wike to say, Fubara, summon him, come. It was this guy, now him boy, now your boy. Call him, let's talk about it. See, Rivers now our own. Nobody say anything. Let's make it work. And all this will be seamless. But we saw what ego, ill-advised, anger, what that has brought to Rivers State. So it's a big lesson to our other governors, to our other leaders, even to Mr. President. It's a big lesson that as a leader, you must be able to know when to say enough, of these actions and all that. So I congratulate the good people of Rivers State. I congratulate Governor Fubara. He has shown that he has grown. That little boy, when they take boy, I look, don't show them, say him be man. So I congratulate him, and I congratulate the people of Rivers State. I've always said it. Rivers State, their primary purpose, their primary intention, their primary goal is local politics. National politics is secondary. So today they have really displayed that and exhibited that. So I congratulate them. I congratulate them. No, I don't want to comment about that. It's for another day. Thank you.